Okay, what is our project today? Kaboom. I'm going to show you how to put this thing together. Look at this. That's quite cool. Mommy ordered that online. She's got some of her exercise stuff here from the COVID virus and stuff. She's been doing workouts from home. She's got a membership where she goes, and then now they're doing it on TV, and she wanted a place for her stuff. And so she thought, I want some boxes. So she ordered these online, and you know, I was like, why are you getting the box now? Because what's going to happen in a couple weeks, her gym's going to be opening again. Now she's going to have all this stuff here, but hey, I can use it too now. And I thought, I didn't want to put these out here on the wall. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do in this room just yet. We might even take the carpet back and put some padding down on the floor or something for an exercise type area. I'm not quite sure, but that box, we've got a little closet here underneath the stairs. Here's the staircase. Here's the staircase over here. They had this nice little closet that kind of comes down here, and we've kind of got this set up for her. She comes down here and meditates. We've got little candles there and all kinds of stuff. But I figured we could put those boxes right up against this wall. Boom, boom. And see, here's the other box right here. Yes. We've got to put this together, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Oh, that's funny. I wasn't even planning on making a video of this. You know, if you have any common sense and know how to read directions, you could probably put this together. No problem. I put this one together. I didn't know what I was doing, and I had the directions, and I was able to just follow A, B, C, D, E. That's all you've got to do to put something like that together. As long as you read the directions, that's the most important thing. All right, let's get going on this. That's all we need. And so I'm just gonna follow this. They usually show you what parts you have and the screws and all that kind of stuff. And this is the part I need to find right here. So, you know, I just look, and every little shelf is labeled with something. See, these two shelves have D's on them. And then I look over here, and this one has a B1. This one's got a C1. And I just look on here, here's the first one. And so I'm just going to get the D's out, and the C1 and the B1, and we'll just kind of do that right here. See, there's B1 right there. That's all you got to look for, stuff like that. Okay. And these little ones are D's. Okay. I've got those, and I'm not even going to concern myself with these other ones that are A1s. Here's another B1, and there's a couple B1s. Okay, and then here's the C1. Okay, and I just kind of lay those out like that. I don't even have to get them all where they go exactly. Okay. Now we're ready for the next step. Okay. The next thing I usually like to do, I'll just kind of have my directions there, is open up this bag, and I take just a little screwdriver, just set it on the plastic and rip. I used to try to cut these open with a sheetrock knife, But that's not a very wise thing to do. Okay? And I can just get my little individual parts out. That's all I'm doing right now. Just getting everything out of the bag. I don't have to concern myself about, okay, how's this going together just yet. And check your screws, make sure they're not greasy or anything. And I don't really think they are, but here, we'll just set them on that. And this one comes with all kinds of little washers. And it comes with two different kinds of washers. Okay? So there's two little bits of washers here, and you might be like, okay, what are those for? Hey. Okay, so I've got my washers out like that. Now if you want, you can save the direction sheet, but I don't think you need to anymore. But you got the direction sheets. Remember I said it came from Better Homes and Gardens, see there? They have all kinds of different ones you can get. There's a nice little desk unit. That would have been kind of slick. See, I think this is the one Mommy got right there. See, she could have gotten a taller one. Had she had more stuff, we could have put a tall one. That one, remember there's two in there. We could have put a tall one on the right-hand side and just the short one on the left-hand side, or maybe the tall one could have fit. But we decided not to do that. She can hang something there. We can put a picture there or anything. We can use that top for different things. She can put some candles on there. She could put something else on there or whatever. But you know, if she had more exercise stuff than this, we would have just looked at this. See here, if you got a big wall, you could get a cubby big old huge like that or something like that. Even something like that and flip it sideways. You know, depending on the length. Maybe that is longer than two of those together or something like that. They came in all kinds of different colors here too. Gray, black, rustic gray finish, espresso finish, white, weathered finish. Not bad. From Better Homes and Garden. Oh, and here it says create your own stylish storage. Say that 5 times fast. Stylish storage at walmart.com. Okay. Nice. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.